Hey guys, this is Mirsa with WTI, and I wanted to share with you our option for pet hair remover. We do have a miniature schnauzer. He doesn't shed that much, but he does get a little bit of shedding, especially now that we're coming into the summer. But not only is it great for our pet hair, but it also becomes very handy. I also lose a little bit of hair of myself that falls. It either falls on the couch or on the carpet, and this is great to pick anything up. Also, if you have, I sometimes see here a lot of like dust that has like cotton fibers that are in the air flying, and it falls on any surface, and this is great to pick up. But not only have I used it here in our living room, I have also used it for my clothing, especially my sweaters, since we did have a long winter. After it's been washed, you have the extra material that kind of sticks out in your sweaters, and this is great to remove it. Another reason why I like this pet hair remover is that it's very easy to clean, and it's very portable, and it's ready to be used once it's clean on a different kind of surface. And that was my point of view.